Hi, my name's Scott. Welcome back to another product review. For today's video, we are reviewing this heavy duty safe. It's by ADIMO or ADIMO. I'm not that good at pronouncing brand names, but that really doesn't matter as much as the quality and the style. So we're going to go over and show you everything and how to set it up. I have to admit could be a little biased because I actually own two more of these safes from this same brand because I love them so much. They're such high quality and they're heavy duty, but they're not like crazy where it needs about 5 men to lift it. Let's go over the accessories. You have one set of keys. You have another set of keys. You have another set of keys. You have little legs. You have a battery box, which we will explain further detail. And you have bolts if you want to bolt it into the wall or into the ground or the floor. Pretty sure you guys aren't going to be bolting it to the ground outside. Okay, first of all, there's some plastic that you guys can take off that are around the screens and everything if you want. Slide the keyhole over there, press in to unlock this. This key is going to go in here. This key is going to go over in here. So we're going to line this up. This allows us to open it up. You can take off these corner pieces. Inside here, it might be a little dusty, so the only thing you'll probably have to do is a little bit of cleaning up, little de-dusting, but this is what it looks like. Trying to show you guys all angles here. So you got a deadbolt that comes up through there, 3 on the side right here, 1 on the bottom. You have a nice little spot for keys and accessories. Now you can adjust the shelf as well, or take it out. If you don't want the shelf, you just simply turn these here. So you turn it like this and then just pop it out and then move it up if you want it higher or lower or not at all. So we're just going to go ahead and clean this out. Okay, we went ahead and cleaned it up. We took out the shelf because we don't need the shelf for what we're going to be doing. The other set of keys is going to be for the door in here. So you just open it up like that. If you want, you can take the door off as well. If you don't want it on there, you can, pry it off yourself. Take a little time, but you can take it off. We don't want ours on there because we want an open, clean look. So we're just kind of customizing it. The nice thing is you can customize it to your needs. Okay, so this is a battery box. This, you place batteries inside here. And this, you want to keep somewhere in your house. You don't want to hide this in your safe. This is going to be a backup. So what you do here is you slide this open, lift this up. So if we can get our hand in here. You're going to see you're going to place 4 AA batteries inside here, and you're going to place it down back in. You can see the metal right there that faces down inside. Just like this, and we're going to slide this down inside. You're going to hear little button. Okay, we're going to slide this in here just like that. Now that's locked in place. Now there's going to be a button right in the back side here. If we press this, we can now enter a password. Let's say 1111 pound. There we go. Okay, now we would do what? Okay, press pound. 1111 pound. It unlocks it. Now, we need to have this key in. There we go. And unlocks it. So you just press that button and that just resets it. There is a little light in here as well that comes on. Now what this is basically the same thing as this. So let's just say this runs out of battery and you don't change it in time and you can't access your keypad. You place batteries inside this little box, pull out the little wire. Underneath here there's going to be a little jack. Go ahead and plug it in there, and then this will actually supply power to your display and allow you to enter your password in to open up your safe, and then you can go ahead and replace your batteries. So that's just kind of a battery backup. Now, of course, if you have all your keys, you don't even have to use the keypad or anything, but there are a couple ways of unlocking and locking this system. Way number one is having both keys. Oops, we accidentally hit that. So way number one is having both keys and you turn to unlock it. So we would unlock it and open it up. So that's way number one, using both set of keys. Way number two, let's lock it here. Way number two is using this key, place it in, slide it to the unlock, and then using your keypad. So pound 1111 pound. That's way number two. Way number three is if the keypad is dead, you would use this, plug it in, and use this key and enter your code just like normal. That's way number three. So this is great for protecting your valuables. And so much more. Now, it's not 100% fireproof. If you want to fireproof it, you can buy kits to fireproof it, or you can buy fireproof bags for documents. Now, it is better than nothing as far as fireproofing goes, because it will take longer for the fire to get through the holes or, get inside. Way longer than if your items are in boxes or something like that. Also, if you have documents, important documents like tax papers and stuff, you can get a fireproof document bag, put those documents in that bag and put it in here, and that just gives you even more security. So having one of these is great for safety and great for many different applications. I personally recommend this brand. It is a great brand. I've never had any problems with the brand. Overall, I've been nothing but happy, and that's my personal, opinion. My honest personal opinion. It's a great safe, and they make tons of different sizes.